Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 3, 2022, 2-star Sudoku. Column D, 5 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. 5th row and 7th row, 9th row and 10th row, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then only 4 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 8, 9. 4th grade, we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 5 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 6 and 8 and 9. Column E, column F, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 4th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 8, 9. 8th row and 6th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 8th grade, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fifth row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. 3rd row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 5. 8th grade, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Eighth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Ninth row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 8. 7th grade, we already have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 9. 10th row we already have 1, so 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column C we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. 10th row 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Column I we already have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 8th row 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column J we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Fourth row 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 4, 5, 8. Column I, column C we have pair numbers 1 and 4, so 1 and 4 can't come these cells, it will come in another 2 cells. First grade we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column C we already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column H 4 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4, 9. Third grade we have 9, fifth row also we have 9, so 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then only 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 3, 4, 9, so 2, 3, 4. Sixth grade we have 4, seventh row also we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3, it will come in one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column I 3 numbers are remaining, 3, 6, 8. Sixth grade and third row we have 8, so 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells. Third row we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Sixth grade we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Sixth row we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Fifth row 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 1. Column J we already have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column J 6th grade 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells. 6th row we already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. 7th row only 1 number is remaining, 6 is confirmed here. Column B we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 6th row 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Column C we already have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column B 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Third row we already have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. First grade only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column J 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Second row we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.